Hi, my name is Roshan Kumar Bish and currently I am pursuing my MBA from Mittal School of Business at LPU.
To a 10-year-old, I would say that banking is basically an activity where you give your money, where you save your money and you withdraw it whenever you need it. And investment banking is when you want to get more money out of your money. So that would be the difference in between banking and investment banking.
There are lots of methods for the market analysis techniques. Like first of all, you can do surveys and questionnaires among customers, go and ask about their pain points and the preferences they have. You can do in-depth interview also. You can get to know about their motivation, frustrations about the product. And third thing is that you can also do the observational research.
Hi, my name is Isha and I'm currently pursuing Masters in Business Administration in Investment Banking and Operations.
Hi, myself Tanika and I study at Mittal School of Business.
So I was very keen towards the numbers from the starting only, so that's why I chose financial consulting as my specialization. And financial consulting has definitely helped me to know how the conditions in the market work, what is the valuation, what are the modeling of the structure of the company, or how the various companies are being valued or are valued in the market. So gaining the knowledge of these things has definitely helped me to improve my knowledge and know about the company structure, their valuation, their mergers, demergers, acquisition and all.
Right, I was a kid till my 10th standard. I was strongly inclined towards business, so that was the only reason I opted for BCom and then I pursued MBA from MSOB.
So I joined Lovely Professional University in product management.
So investment banking was a big thing for all of us because being taught by an industrial trainer was of course something which would be great help to us as well. Talking about why investment banking by EY was different from other investment bankings which are being taught was that first of all our way of teaching was completely different. It was completely case-based. We have studied regarding various cases like Lehman Brothers, that was the fiasco of 2007, the recent one which happened in USA, the economic crisis of 2020, which was related to the Silicon Valley Bank.
So product management specialization at Lovely Professional University, collaboration with Spice Catalyst, which is a very renowned consulting and training firm, provide industry relevant curriculum. Through the interaction with the industrial expert, we get to know their experience. They teach us about market dynamics.